Hello, myself Deepak, and today we'll take one of the if function. Okay, now take an example. You have this table, and based on selling price and cost price column, you need to print whether it's a profit or loss. Now, here you can take help of a simple if function. So let's see how. You click on this, search for the if function. Okay, now this function says that checks whether a condition is met and return value one value if true and another value if false. Now the logical condition is what? If this is greater than this, B2 is greater than C2, then do what? Then say this print profit. Right? Else, if this is not greater than this, then do what? Say for example, let's now print this loss. Okay, you get it? This value is greater than this. Yes, D2 value is greater than C2. Profit is fine. Now if I copy this formula for rest, everywhere is fine. Like for example here, this is not greater than this, but CP price, like the value in C4 is greater than D4. That's why losses thing. Fine. But what about here? When the values of both the columns are same, it is showing loss. But it should be what? It should be either profit or loss. Sorry, no profit, no loss. So what we can do, instead of doing like this, if condition, if C2 is greater than D2 is greater than C2, then do profit. That is fine. Now, in false condition, we'll put one more if. Like if we'll again start if condition and we'll say if C2 is greater than D2, then first condition we have already done. If D2 is greater than C2, then it's profit. But now opposite we are doing in false part, that again we have started if, and now we are doing if C2 is greater than D2, then put loss. Of course this if condition also have true part and false part. True is false, you have in true you have sent printed print loss, and in loss, sorry, and in false part you say no profit slash no loss. Let's see once again. You started one if condition in which you have given first logical condition that if D2 is greater than C2, if this is true, then do this thing. Okay, print profit text as in text. Now in false part of the first if condition, you have again put one more if condition. Now here you're checking if C2 is greater than D2, then in its true part you're saying print loss, and in its false part you're saying print no profit no loss. Now let's see, you get this, copy this formula and paste for everyone else where required. Now see, this is good in this, yes, profit. This is good in this, yes, loss. Now both are equal, no profit, no loss. So I hope this is clear, and now you can use if condition, and you know how to use if condition, where you can use this function. So in this, that's all. In my next videos, I will discuss other type of if functions. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.